Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook piselli, ensuring they are tender and bursting with fresh flavor. You will learn simple techniques to transform this humble vegetable into a delightful side dish. We will cover everything from selecting the right peas to serving them perfectly. Prepare to master this classic Italian staple in just a few easy steps, bringing authentic, home-cooked flavor to your table. Selecting the right peas is crucial for the best results. Choose fresh peas when in season, looking for firm, vibrant green pods that feel full and plump. If fresh are unavailable, high-quality frozen peas are an excellent and convenient alternative. They taste surprisingly good. Shell fresh peas just before cooking to maintain their sweetness, or simply rinse frozen ones under cool water to quickly thaw them for optimal texture. Let's prepare piselli using the classic stovetop method. First, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a medium skillet over medium heat. Sauté 1 small chopped shallot or a 1/4 cup of finely diced onion until softened, which takes about 3 minutes. Then, stir in your fresh or thawed frozen peas. Season them with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper, cooking for just 5 to 7 minutes until perfectly tender crisp. Serve them immediately. You can easily enhance the flavor and create delicious variations. For a richer taste, add 2 ounces of finely diced pancetta to the pan before the shallots, cooking until crispy. A splash of vegetable broth or dry white wine adds depth and helps deglaze. Stir in a tablespoon of fresh chopped mint or parsley during the last minute for bright herbal notes. For a creamy finish, a tablespoon of butter or a swirl of heavy cream can be added right before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.